I'm gonna be doing a 3-day juice cleanse in the next few weeks, and I thought this was the perfect time to answer one of my most asked questions. What kind of juicer would I recommend? If you're just starting to juice, a centrifugal juicer is going to be your best bet every single time. And that's because it's literally the most popular home juicer on the market. You can load a lot of produce at one time. It makes juice really quickly and is super affordable, like $35, $50 affordable. Yeah. Now, of course, I had to show y'all what it do. So I'm going to be juicing a few things I needed to get rid of. I have some romaine lettuce, green apples, celery, green grapes, and of course I had lemon and ginger. I'm using the Siphon Big Mouth Classic Juicer, and it is linked in my TikTok shop down below. It is on sale right now for $34.99 with a 40% off coupon. Get that. I probably made this juice within 10 to 15 minutes. So when I say quick, I really mean that. Now, I'm not gonna lie, she is loud, and you will notice there is a lot of pulp, but the juice tastes just the same as any other juicer for a fraction of the price. I think it's perfect for people who are just starting their juicing journey and balling on a budget.